The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tamaqua, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shepton, Tamaqua, Mary D., Park Place, Grier City Park Crest, Tuscarora, Trenton, McAdoo, Delano, New Ringgold, Solaris, and Hometown. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 132 to 139. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Here is the region.